So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Dave Heroic. So today I'll be taking us through the process of how to download high resolution image from website. Probably you are strolling through a website and you maybe probably like the image on the website and you are looking forward to download the images. Sometimes if you just click on the image, you might get a blurry image. But I will be taking you through the process of getting the image on the website in a high resolution image. So peradventure, you can use this method on maybe you go onto a social media platform or probably you go to any website. So you have the chance of getting the image in a high resolution. So simply just make sure you are using your browser. Once you are using your browser on your PC, it's something you can just do easily. So let me try use Fiverr for you so that we can be able to see how it goes. So now this Fiverr. Now I want to download an image to be of high resolution. If I just crop these images now, I might have the image in a low resolution whereby it looks more blurry. So but this is what, instead of me cropping the image and getting the image in a blurry format, then what I need to just do is scroll down through all the pages. So I've read through all the pages, I've seen all the images. So now peradventure I want to save any of these images here. So now I'll just make use of my right click button on my mouse. I'll just click on inspect. So now after I click on inspect, I'll head on to my right hand side. So now here on my right hand side, you'll see the option whereby you'll be able to save your image on your PC directly. So I'll head on to the source, in which I will be clicking on the application option. So once I click on the application option, you will see the option of the frames. Now once you click on the drop down for these frames, so you'll see the option of images. Once you click on images, you'll see varieties of images from the page you've opened, the website you opened. For instance, yeah, you can see the first one here. So you can see the second one as well. You can see how they are well optimized. The image are well, they have an high resolution whereby once you save it on your PC, the image won't be that blurry, because if you crop the images, sometimes it gets blurry. So you can see that I have most of the images here. So just click on the image. Let's take this for example. So I want to save this. So once you get to the image, you right click again and then you click on save image. You save image as, then it will save automatically as either, yeah, it's probably, I think it's mostly save as png image. So and then you're able to save your image on your PC easily, and that's how you save a image on your PC with high resolution easily. So same thing if you are getting an image from Google or from any other website. So just simply right click on the website you are viewing. Once you right click, then download the image, go to the application section and download the image. I hope this is helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.